when I make it through the day, I close my eyes and pray again. It's for my real ones, my real ones. It's for my real ones, real ones, real ones. It's for my real ones.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome to On Ass Lifestyle TV. Today we are back with another video of working on the Daytona. It's always something with the Daytona. I mean, I love my car, we'll say. As you can see, we got the stars now, but it's always something with the Daytona. Let me give y'all a little light show. Right quick. Put it on, let's see, rainbow. I'm ready to change the colors. It's a lot of different modes. I want to just cycle through the colors. So today, our problem is the Uconnect touchscreen. As you can see right now, nobody's touching it. Let me see, that'll mess it up. Nobody's touching it, but it's doing all type of stuff. Let's go to the media. It's gonna get the clicking stuff. Nobody's touching it. If you got one of these Uconnect 8.4s, I forgot what year exactly, but mine are 2017. If you got one of these, then you know what I'm talking about. This has been an issue. It's all over YouTube. So today we are fixing this. It is like they call it delamination. As you can see right here at the top, the screen is actually separating from the screen, like the touch screen in front of it. I'm not sure exactly how it works, but yeah. Today we about to replace that because I've been dealing with it for too long. It's annoying. So I got the screen from Amazon. I'm gonna put the link down below so you guys, if in case anybody else is going through the same thing, which I'm pretty sure it is somebody. I don't know if that's what brought you to this video or not, but if you're going through the same thing, you need a screen, I'm gonna put the link in the description. It was only $275 at the time it was on sale, so I don't know what it is right now. But yeah, we finna get started on this. Apparently it's not that hard. I watched a couple videos. I think the hard part is gonna be getting it all back together. Well, we're gonna start by using a little pry tool to pop these. Let's see if I can get some light in here. To pop these off this hole. First I gotta take my lights off that I got in there. This ain't nothing though. You can add that back easily. I might even buy a different light instead of putting this back on there. But yeah, take my light off. Might be hard to do this with one hand, so I'm gonna sit the camera down. There's a phone calling people and shit. See, doing stuff already. Phone calling people and shit. That's crazy. It should be a final piece. Damn. Bro, let me cut the screen off. I'm gonna just cut the screen off. I'm gonna pressing all type of buttons. Alright. So there we go. We didn't. None of the clips look broken, as you can see. Oh, still intact. They just, the mugs is tight. Like it's not made to come on and off easy, I would imagine. Okay, so this is how we're looking without this is how we looking without the trim. It looks crazy, I ain't gonna lie. The air vents was in there. I took that out already, but man, this look crazy. My screen look beat to shit. But to get the screen out, and I forgot to mention, before you start any of this, disconnect the battery, but I'm not doing it right now. I'm gonna do it before I take these wires out the back. But to get the screen out, you're gonna need a 1/4 bolt can see that. There is a 1/4. You don't need a 1/4 bolt. You're just gonna take out these 4 screws. Okay, I unhooked the battery. Now to get the radio out, I think I should. Hold on. You pretty much just gotta unhook all this stuff and don't break it. Alright, and that's it. Got it out of there. Now I'm gonna take it. Oh, I got some sticky shit on my finger. Not sure where that came. Oh, it came from down here. Okay. Note that. It might be sticky shit. Well, yeah. Finna start. I wonder if that probably came from, that's part of the damn problem. Oozing and shit. Yeah, see, I got some on my pants too. Oh yeah, we gonna have to wipe this off. Get this inside and show it to you. Okay, so we finna start taking this joint apart. I don't know how hard it's gonna be. Shouldn't be too hard. I watched a video on how to do this. That's about it. Like I said, I watched one video on how to do this. Shouldn't be too hard. I'm gonna start by, they said, loosen these screws. Don't take them all the way out, because apparently you got it. I don't know why, but it's better to not take them all the way out. Okay, once you loosen all 6 of these screws up, you could have did this before you loosened it up, but it's up to you. You're gonna want to tape this down, because you don't want it to necessarily come off, but that's how you disconnect the screen. So you're going to see how I did that? It's kind of like taping this from separating. And I'll do one more. Okay, so boom. So I'm gonna take these screws out. Since this is handy, I'm gonna put the screws in there. Now, I need a small flathead. Real slow. And I'm gonna wanna pry open these tabs right here. So 1, 2, there's 2 on each side, I'm assuming. There's 2 right here, 2 right here.
I made the beat, I made it wait, bitch.
I'm gonna have to stick something through here. I know you want to be real gentle with this because you don't want to break any of the clips. This should come off. I know that there's something down here I don't want to break, so let's be real gentle. Ooey gooey. I think this is what was wrong with the screen. Like the shit melt. Like in the summer or something. Can you give me a towel or something? Alright, so I'm gonna start taking the screen out. Let's see. I have no idea how to do this. Okay, so find out how to unhook these connectors. You just flip that up. It's actually pretty easy. So this is the old screen. Looks raggedy, dirty, beat up. And I'm about to show you the new one. This is the new screen. It should be plug and play. Kid and play here. Hold on. You know what? These things are a little difficult, but you just gotta make sure it's all the way in. There's 2 tabs on the side. It's kind of how you judge it. You really just want to make sure it's all the way in, and then you clamp it. Let's see. You do not want to break that wire. That wire is, I think that's how the touchscreen works. At least that's what I was told. And then you're gonna want to take your, I don't know, I kind of want to leave the screen protector on. Nah, because then it might mess up. We're gonna take the screen protector off. We got some fresh clean screen. Won't be like that for long, obviously. Now you just do everything in reverse. You don't want to do all your steps backwards. You want to go ahead and put your screws back in. Start tightening them up. Alright, now we just proceed to put it back in the car. It's that simple. I guess we're about to see if it works. No phone connected. It's probably gonna be a brand new system, huh? Because, yeah. Damn, that's funny.
Heated seat.
She's talking about heated seat. Oh, I done touched all the sticky shit right there. So I gotta clean that sticky shit up first. If I gotta download the themes, or is that gonna take a second? I don't know. We'll figure it out, but it's a Challenger. Yeah, so obviously the car got to do so find out exactly what it is. That's crazy. I mean, it will. It's just because this is a brand new Uconnect now. Like I unplugged it. That's funny as hell.
1 hour later.
All right, so we came back like an hour later. Had to, I would imagine, just let the system program itself, and now we're back to the normal display screen that we always had. Gotta change my display to that Hellcat. Don't knock me. Wait, no. Gotta go with the Hellcat background. Let me set my apps up. But yeah, I ain't even gonna do too much right now. I'm gonna just wanted to show y'all how it looked when we installed it. I want to throw my cover back on, and then we'll be back rolling. Just like that, we are back to normal with everything working now. And it feels good to have my screen, my Apple CarPlay, everything back working normally. I haven't had Apple CarPlay in a long time, or should I say I haven't used it. Sport mode, setup, default mode setup. If you got this problem, check the link in the description. I'm gonna put a link of where I got my screen from. You saw how I did it. It didn't take that long. Did it all in one day. Tap in and hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe. Hey, hit that subscribe button for me. We on the road to 1K subscribers. I know there's nothing right now, but we at like 760. I need 250, less than 250 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button, stay tapped in, turn your notification bell on, and follow me on Instagram. I changed my name to Real Killer Cam with 2 M's. Follow Daytona on Ass on Instagram. That's the car page, of course. Y'all know that already. And stay tapped in. Appreciate y'all.